Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add your name on image using AI. First of all, open your browser. Now search Bing AI. Now open this site. You can explore ideas from here. Now add your prompt. Prompt link is in description. Now click on Create. It will take few seconds. Here are the results. You can easily download this image by clicking on Download. Let's add another prompt. Now click on Create. It will take few seconds. And here are the results. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.